Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore the world of green tea recipes for intermittent fasting. Green tea is a powerful beverage known for its numerous health benefits, and coupled with intermittent fasting, it can boost weight loss effectively. So, let's delve into the delicious ways to incorporate green tea into your intermittent fasting routine. Our first recipe is a refreshing green tea detox smoothie. This smoothie combines the goodness of green tea with other detoxifying ingredients like lemon, cucumber, and ginger. Not only does it support weight loss, but it also helps to cleanse your body from within. Next up, we have a delightful matcha green tea latte. Matcha is a type of powdered green tea known for its vibrant green color and high concentration of antioxidants. This latte is a perfect choice for those who enjoy a creamy and comforting beverage while fasting. For a nutritious and filling breakfast option, try our green tea-infused overnight oats. Simply soak your oats in brewed green tea overnight and wake up to a flavorful and wholesome meal. This recipe will keep you satiated throughout your fasting period. If you're looking for a savory option, our green tea grilled chicken is a must-try. Marinated in a mixture of brewed green tea, garlic, and soy sauce, this chicken dish is packed with flavor and protein. It's a great addition to your intermittent fasting meal plan. That concludes our video on green tea recipes for intermittent fasting. Green tea not only aids in weight loss but also provides numerous health benefits. Try out these delicious recipes and experience the power of green tea in your fasting journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and lifestyle tips.